Hey everyone, it's Anne. Welcome back to Keto Asian Flavors. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious dairy-free keto flan. It is one of my very popular keto desserts that I've ketofied since 2018. The caramel sauce was then improved in 2019 when I discovered allulose. This was a game changer. For this recipe, I will be using this flan mold, but you can use any 7-inch round glass pan or 4 ramekins with aluminum foil. Ingredients are allulose, water, unsweetened almond milk, eggs, monk fruit sweetener, and organic vanilla extract. You will need 3 whole eggs and 3 egg yolks. Crack open 3 whole eggs and add it to a bowl and separate 3 egg yolks from 3 egg whites. Set aside and reserve the egg whites for another use. Dark eggs will taste better if you can find it. On medium heat, dissolve the allulose in a saucepan. Once it starts browning, add the water. Cook until the mixture has thickened and reduced to a caramel. Turn off the heat. Add the caramel to the flan mold before it sets and hardens. In a medium or large bowl, add in 3 whole eggs and 3 egg yolks. Whisk the eggs by hand using a whisk. Avoid using an electric mixer or blender as it will create bubbles. Add in the vanilla extract. On the stove top, warm the unsweetened almond milk into a clean saucepan on medium heat. Add the monk fruit sweetener to the almond milk and mix to dissolve. You can use allulose here too. Just remember to adjust the quantity. Do not let the almond milk come to a boil. You would just need to melt the sweetener here. Temper the egg mixture with the almond milk if needed and slowly add the rest of the egg mixture into the almond milk mixture. Using a sieve, add the egg mixture into the almond milk and mix to combine. Pour the mixture on top of the caramel. Use a strainer again for silky smooth results. If you're using glass pan or ramekins, cover it tightly with aluminum foil. Otherwise, if you're using a flan mold like I am, lock the lid. Add 2 cups of water to the Instant Pot. Using the saute button, heat up the water. This will help pressurize the pot faster. Once the water is boiled, press cancel. Place the flan mold on top of the trivet and place it inside the Instant Pot. Lock the Instant Pot lid in place and turn the steam valve to sealing. Select the high pressure button and adjust the cooking time to 10 minutes and allow to natural release for 10 minutes for 1 round pan. If you're using 4 individual ramekins, natural release for 6 minutes. Then press cancel and turn the steam valve to venting. Let sit with the lid or foil on for about 5 minutes before removing it. Let cool for 10 to 15 minutes on the counter with the lid off and refrigerate for at least 4 hours before serving. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you like this recipe as much as I do. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. See you again soon.